Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. This tutorial will teach you about the List Notification Events node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The List Notification Events node returns a list of all notification events currently defined in the system. Name the node using the name field and set a Catenis virtual device in the connection field. Now, let's take a look at the example found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node Red hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the List Notification Events node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Great! After watching this tutorial, you should understand List Notification Events nodes. Now, you're ready to learn how to use the List Notification Events node.